Hello, everyone, and welcome. Get ready because today you're not just students. Oh no, you are my new team of punctuation detectives, and we have a very important mission. A case so tricky that I'm going to need your help to crack it.
So, are you ready to get started? Because this isn't just any old lesson, it's a mystery. We've gotten our hands on a jumbled up, secret message, and it's our job to figure out the code together. Let's open up the case file, shall we?
And here it is, our first case file. Whoa, just take a look at this message. It's all a big mess, isn't it? It's really hard to understand. But don't you worry. Every great detective knows that to solve a mystery, you have to start by looking for clues. And our very first clue is one of the most powerful tools in our entire detective kit. It's called the capital letter. This clue is going to help us find all the important starting points in our secret message.
So what exactly is a capital letter? Well, you can think of it like a big bright sign that kind of yells, "Hey, you, start reading right here." It also works like a spotlight, shining a light on the most important words, like the special names of people or places. It's for sure a detective's best friend for spotting key info.
Now, every good clue comes with a set of rules, and here are the 3 golden rules for our capital letters. Rule number 1, a capital letter always starts a new sentence. Rule 2, all special names, like your name, my name, a city like Mumbai, or a festival, they have to begin with a capital. And rule number 3, the word I, whenever you're talking about yourself, is always a capital letter. Always.
And check this out. This example shows our rules in action perfectly. See that? The sentence starts with a capital W. And because Diwali is a special festival, its name starts with a capital D. See? Simple, right? Okay, let's go find our next clue to solve this big mystery.
Our next set of clues is just as important. I like to call these the sentence enders. They're kind of like stop signs that tell us when one thought is finished and a new one is about to start. Without them, everything just runs together. It's a mess. For today's case, we've got 2 main enders. First up, we have the full stop. Now, it might just be a tiny little dot, but trust me, it's super powerful. You use it when a sentence is telling you something. Next, we have the question mark. You use this one when a sentence is asking you something. So yeah, it's simple. One is for telling, the other is for asking.
Let's look at an example. Mumbai is a big city. This sentence is telling us a fact, right? It's not asking anything. So we pop a full stop right at the end to show that the idea is complete. Easy peasy.
And what about this one? Who are you? You can hear it, can't you? It's asking something. It wants an answer. And that's our signal to use a question mark at the end. It's the detective's secret tool for getting more information. All right, punctuation detectives, we have our clues. We've got the capital letter, the full stop, and the question mark. It is time to go back to the crime scene and crack this case once and for all. Okay, here's our jumbled message again. It seems to be about a walk in the park. I can almost picture it. There's an old man, Mr. Sharma, maybe he's sitting on a bench, and his pet dog, a playful little guy named Bruno. He's probably running all over the place with a ball. Let's use our clues and make this story clear. And there we go. Look at that. The message is totally crystal clear now. Let's read it together. I go for a morning walk daily. I meet Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma's pet dog Bruno is very naughty. He plays with a ball. He keeps running everywhere. He helps Mr. Sharma in the park. I love him very much. Wow! See how those capital letters and full stops make it so much easier to follow the story? Case solved. That was some great work on that case. But you know, a true detective is always ready for the next challenge. So now, it's your turn to practice your new skills on a couple of mini cases. Get your detective brains ready.
All right, detective, here is your first mini case. The sentence is, do you know where is Canada? What's missing here? Take a good look. What clues do we need to use? I'll give you a second to think about it. Did you get it? Fantastic. We needed a capital D to start the sentence, a capital C for Canada because that's a special place name, and of course, a question mark at the end because it's asking a question. Brilliant work. Ready for another one? Let's do it. Mini case number 2. My friend lives in Goa. Okay, detective, examine the evidence. What needs to be fixed right here? And the solution is, my friend lives in Goa. We needed that capital M to start the sentence, a capital G for the special place name Goa, and a full stop at the end because this sentence is telling us something. You are a natural at this. Okay, let's go over our official detective checklist one last time. Just remember these 4 rules and you'll be ready to solve any punctuation case that comes your way. This is basically your secret weapon for clear and powerful writing. And with that, the case of the missing marks is officially closed. You did an amazing job today, detective. You took a really confusing message and made it perfectly clear using all of our special punctuation clues. But you know, a detective's work is never truly done. I mean, what about those little marks called commas? Or those super exciting exclamation points? What mysteries are they hiding? I think that's a case for another day. Great work today, everyone.